Okay, so let us now explore the properties of radicals. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We have here the nth root of a raised to m is equal to the nth root of a raised to all of it raised to m. Okay, so let's have an example here. We have here the cube root, the cube root of 8 squared. Okay, so let's start to verify if this is really equal. Okay, so what is the cube root? If we rewrite this, this will be equal to. If we rewrite this, this will be equal to the cube root of 64, right? So 64 is equal to 4 cubed. So this is 4. Okay, so is it really equal to? So what is this? So what is the cube root of 8? So we know that this is 2 cubed, right? So this is 2. And then if we square 2, then that was also equal to 4. Okay, so we verified this particular property. 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so another one, we have here the nth root of a multiplied by the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of ab. Okay, so what this, so let's say for example we have a square root of 5 and we also have here square root of 7. Okay, so they both have the same index, right? The same index is 2. Both have the same index is 2. So from that property, we can then say that this is equal to the square root of 5 times 7. And then, which is also equal to the square root of 35. Okay, very cool. Then, let's now proceed to the third one. Here, the nth root of a divided by the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of a over b, as long as b is not equal to 0. So, we have this restriction because b is equal to 0, then we will get undefined. Okay, so let's have an example here. We have here the fourth root of 27 over the fourth root of 9. So they have here. So we can then say that this is equal to the fourth root of 27 over 9. Okay, so what is 27 over 9? Okay, so that is 3, right? Okay, so we have here the fourth root of 3. Okay, there you go. So let's have the fourth one. We have here the mth root of the nth root of a. So now that was a mouthful. So that is equal to m times n. The a, and then the index is m multiplied by n. Okay. Okay. So and then so let's have example. So we have here 3, the cube root of the square root of 10. Okay. It's really hard to say. Okay, so we have right here, if we rewrite this, we have the cube root of square root of 10, right? As by default, this is 2. So from the property, we therefore can say that this is 3 times 2. Okay, so and then this is 10. So with this is also equal to the sixth root of 10. Okay. So take note here that we simply multiplied these two indices. Okay, so now let's have the fifth one. Okay, so let's say we have the nth root of a raised to n. Okay, so this is just like nullifying taking the nth root. So after taking the nth root, you raise it to n again. So we get 8. So example here is the square root of 3 squared is equal to 3. Okay, so that's it for the properties of radicals. So we will be applying them in the next parts of this lesson. So thank you.